OxygenOS 16 is the latest major OS release from OnePlus. Built on top of the new Android 16 base operating system, OxygenOS 16 is an evolution of the ideas introduced with OxygenOS 15, including parallel processing for UI animations, new AI functionality, and improved interconnectivity with other platforms. We had a chance to test the beta version of the OS on the OnePlus 13s ahead of launch, but these observations should apply to the final version on other devices as well. Starting with the theme of evolutionary, not revolutionary, we have the design. The differences from OxygenOS 15 are subtle, requiring a second glance, or even a third, to spot. For starters, a handful of app icons are different. This includes the likes of clock, camera, and settings. At least these are the ones you'll notice, as others like calculator, weather, and my files are so subtly different that you'd need to bust out the magnifying glass. Speaking of apps, there is also a new app drawer now. You can switch between an all-app view and iOS-style categorization, and you can easily switch between the two by swiping sideways. The search bar has been moved to a more convenient location at the bottom. The home screen and lock screen now feature added customizability. Folders on the home screen have 3 different layouts that vary in look, but also in how many apps you can launch without opening the folder. App icons can now be expanded to take up more space. The user is free to switch from 1x1, 1x2, 2x1, or 2x2 sizes for them. In 2x2 mode, you can also assign additional functions to the icon from the app. On the OnePlus 13s that we tested on, you can now also pick a new 5x7 grid layout for the home screen icons alongside the previous 4x6 and 5x6 options.